Hi everyone, I'm Ethan Basquette.
And I'm Jordan Jones.
And we're the chefs of the Broadcasting 3 cooking show. This is our first episode, and today we're going to be making a no-bake pie that should take less than 10 minutes to make.
Let's see if we can beat the time.
Okay, so what we want to do first is we have 2 bananas for 2 pies, so we want to cut them going across, not long ways.
So first I'm going to peel it. My hands are clean.
I'll go ahead and peel this one. Yes, make sure your hands are sanitary before you start handling food. That way, nobody gets sick. And then here's this one when you're ready.
Thank you so much, Chef Ethan.
Now, I was able to sample some of this, and it did turn out really good.
I'm so glad. And it's my first time making this kind of dessert, so I hope it'll be perfect, which it should be. All right, so you wanna help me take off this?
Yes, we should do that.
We're gonna spread the bananas evenly onto each pan.
Across the bottom.
Making it pretty even on both sides. You know. Okay.
Now,
and Ethan, you can help me with my measurements. You can tell me if I seem balanced, per se. Do you think that seems pretty even? And
that seems pretty good. I would throw the rest of them in here and just kind of spread them out a little bit.
I'm so glad we're on the same page here, Ethan.
Okay, so our next step is we need to mix 8 ounces of cream cheese, 8 ounces of whipped cream, a 1/3 cup of sugar.
I'll measure the sugar.
Make sure you get a mixer too, so you can make that work. And then you want to scoop onto both pie plates. So when you mix these together...
1/3 cup sugar?
Yes, 1/3 cup of sugar.
All right, that's a lot of sugar.
If I can get this open. Be careful when you're handling knives too. You always want to cut away from yourself so you don't slice your hand off.
That's almost 1/3.
All right, so we have our 1/3 cup of sugar, and now we need to mix 8 ounces of cream cheese and 8 ounces of whipped cream. Let's see.
Let the mixing begin. I'm gonna go ahead and pour the sugar in here.
All right, should I put the whole thing in here?
Absolutely.
Okay.
And here's what we can do. I'll go ahead and scoop this. 8 ounces of cream cheese and 8 ounces of... Awesome. So yeah, we're putting all of it in here.
I hope this tastes good.
Don't doubt perfection. It's gonna be amazing.
Okay.
Just squeeze it in there, Ethan.
Don't be afraid to get messy, everyone.
Right.
Okay. We should use the mixer.
Right. But first, we have to add the sugar. And the most important message here is to fluff. And I'm gonna let my chef Ethan right here take the lead on that.
Okay, be careful when you're using these because I've never used them before. So, Jordan,
all right, you ready?
Yes, you might.
I'm gonna get out of your way now.
Okay.
Great. Great job fluffing.
It's going crazy.
That's
Make
awesome.
sure you have paper towels around you too, in case you get a little messy, because this is flying everywhere. Dim it down to 1. Might work a little better.
It's all in how you churn and fluff.
I would definitely eat this. I kind of just want to smash Jordan's face into it right now. That would not be good.
I'm glad that that's what you're thinking about.
I think that's good enough. What do you think?
I think it looks great
Okay.
and fluffed. All right, so now we're going to mix this on both pie plates.
Yes.
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 And do you think
All right.
I should split this about half?
Yes.
What do you think?
Yeah, split about half. That way we can distribute it evenly across both pies.
That's right.
Yes. There you go. And while you're doing that, I will get our can of blueberries right here. You will need a can opener for this. And so while Jordan is doing that, I will open these, and then we can go ahead and dump the blueberries on here. It's looking good.
It's looking great. Kind of difficult to spread across, but that's okay. Ethan, would you want to try scooping this on here?
Yeah, sure.
And helping me spread it out?
Here. Let me give this a go. Excuse me. Okay.
Great job spreading that
And
out.
Jordan, will you get the blueberries ready to pour?
They are ready.
Okay. And then we'll go ahead and add those as soon as we spread this out. And you want to make sure that this covers across the top of the pie and you don't leave any areas.
Absolutely. That's what I was struggling with
uncovered.
the most.
You seem like you did a pretty good job. with
Thank you
this
so
stuff.
much, Chef Ethan. I appreciate your compliments.
You're very welcome, Chef Jordan. Now, Jordan and I have a 5-star restaurant opening up soon,
Yes.
so
It'll be a while, but it'll be something great whenever it happens, and we'll all encourage you to come try.
and get some extra.
We're
in
inspired, but this is our specialty. So, and at the end, we'll invite our guests to come up and try our specialty. But perfection is not ready yet.
Here. Okay, that looks good enough to me.
That looks great enough
So
to me,
now
Ethan.
let's move this out of the way.
Looks good.
All right, so now that this is out of the way, now we can go ahead and pour our blueberries.
The blueberries.
Blueberries. Okay.
So what you'd say about halfway for each again, you know?
Yes.
Okay. And to make it look great, I might just clean off my tool. And that way I can spread the blueberries evenly.
Blueberries.
Yes, sir.
Mm. My favorite.
Yes, sir.
I can't wait.
I'm so glad. I hope you're all as excited as I am. This is going to be something magnificent. And it might just be a miracle.
Now let me spread that one for you.
I think I got it, Chef Ethan.
Okay, thank you, Chef Jordan.
Chef Ethan, I have a question for you.
All right.
What do you think is the most difficult part in the process of making this no-bake pie?
Definitely using the mixer, but that's probably just because that was my first time using it.
Well, there's a first time for everything, you know?
But you do want to make sure that you get the right measurements for everything, you know, to mix it with.
Absolutely.
So your 1/3 cup of sugar, and then your 8 ounces of whipped cream and cream cheese. But yeah, you don't want to overdo it for sure.
Is there anything you want to help? And you can use the rest of these blueberries.
Okay.
I'd say that looks
Get
pretty
them all
even.
in there.
Yeah. Couldn't decide which one to go to first.
Almost dumped it on the table.
And that's not where they go.
Yeah, they go on the pie. So have you tried this yet, Jordan?
I have not. This is the first time we're making it right now.
Well, we served at a restaurant, remember?
It's opening.
Well, we have to sample it, right?
We will whenever it's finished.
All right. Well, I think we're ready to try it out. Would you guys like to try some?
Come get some, everybody.
This is what the finished product looks like. You see how the blueberries are spread out
Quite evenly, if
across
you
the
ask
top.
me.
Looks pretty delicious. Now
Thank you.
we just have to cut and then we'll be good.
Cut. Eat.